Students, we have learned in the grammar already what is sentence. Okay? It's an ordered group of words which makes complete sense. Is called sentence. And we know and we have learned that there are two parts in the sentence. First part is naming part, and second is doing. Naming part is known as subject and doing part is known as a predicate. Subject and predicate. We have learned in the sentence there are two parts. Now we are going to learn new chapter from your grammar book, chapter 2, kinds of sentence. Okay, kinds of sentence. There are 4 kinds of sentences. First is assertive sentence, also known as a declarative sentences. Second one is interrogative sentences. Third one is imperative sentences. And fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Now we will see, or we are going to learn their definitions and their examples and the marks. Students, also we have learned that always sentence begins with capital and ends with their own kinds of sentences, or we have to listen their marks. Okay, first is what is assertive sentence or declarative sentence? An assertive sentence tells about something and it ends with a full stop. Example, I have a blue dress. Or we can say, the sky is blue. Second is, my sister is in first grade. Third, I am watching a movie. Fourth, the sun rises in the east. These are the assertive sentences and ends with full stop. Second one is interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentences asks something. It always asks question and ends with question mark. Sentence begin with when, how, what, why, where, etc. So first example is, when are we eating? Second is, how do you play this game? Third is, what are you doing? And ends with question mark. These are interrogative sentences. Third one is imperative sentences. An imperative sentences tells someone to do something. It can be order or request and ends with full stop. Example is, clean your room. Someone telling to do clean the room. Second, do your homework please. This is a requesting sentence. And third one is, please sit down. This also requesting to sit. These are the imperative sentence. Fourth one is exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentences shows strong feeling. It shows strong feeling and ends with a exclamatory marks. Example, my hair is on fire. Exclamatory mark. What a pity. Third one is, the car has a flat tire. Students, we have heard the definitions and their marks or examples. Okay, now just we will revise. An assertive sentence tells about something and ends with a full stop. Second is interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentences ask something and it also ends with a question mark. It asks always something. Imperative sentences. An imperative sentences tells someone to do something and ends with a full stop. Fourth is an exclamatory sentences. It shows strong feeling and ends with exclamatory mark. Students, we have heard or we have learned the kinds of sentences and their definitions and their particular marks. Remember always to put the marks properly.